That taxman's down there. Don't let him catch you. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Go, 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 go. Oh! It's going!
Other way. Other way. One way with the drag.
Let's not feed him. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Pull up, hit the bottom. Lift up, pull up, lift up, go down. Not too high though. Pull up, pull up, pull up, go down. There you go. It's gonna get whatever it is. Gotta go faster. Is it spinning when he's spinning the real handle? Not really. Yeah, it's going. No, it's going. It's in low gear, so. Yeah, that's fine. He hit it on the way down. Yeah, you got it real fast. Yeah. Come on. Like a fat kid running to ice cream.
Run!
Come on.
Get that cream!
Is that ice cream truck out here?
Get that cream! Run!
Oh, fuck.
You got it!
Yeah, come on.
Come on, you got it! Come on, you got it!
Oh, y'all shut the fuck up. Oh, I see color. He's coming up. He's at the very bottom.
Here he is.
Hurry up, hurry, hurry, hurry.
I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody else, just him.
Fucking feels like it.
No, it's a big
Amberjack?
yeah, it's a big amberjack. Looks like it. Come on.
Yeah, it's AJ. We're gonna flip.
Oh!
Do we down?
Woo!
Walk backwards.
Woo!
Get the tail.
Got the tail. Don't. Don't let that show you up. Get a bigger one. Woo! Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Taxman's out there. Taxman's out there. Don't let him. When he's running, just let him go. When he's running, just let him go. When he's running, just let him go. There you go. Let him run. Let him run. Nope, not more. Oh, that's a big one. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. There you go. You got it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. Woo! Dang it.
We got a little 17-foot jump today off Goddard hook.
Huh?
Can I jump?
No, I'll trust you. I think you're coordinated enough.
I want to. That feels good.
Oh, it feels great. Oh, that's a game changer. It's cool about 8 foot, 10 foot.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. You want the next one? Looks like you're ready.
I'm next.
Get ready.
Need a massage on that shoulder or loosen you up?
Man, this is the shit right here.
It was not me, I'm going to tell you that.
There we go.
All right, crank on. Crank on.
Oh, you got
Oh, shit.
very low.
Big golden toe.
Oh, yeah, baby! Yeah!
You got him?
Cody,
Yeah.
is this fishing made easy?
Still sweating.
Yeah.
I got to pick up the heavy weight.
That's
the heavy
it.
fish, all the heavy fish. You
On
know.
the heavy fish?
Yeah. Where do you think it's going to be?
Here, catch these.
Another big golden toe.
There you go.
I didn't get the weight.
Another towel. Look, that one's making bubbles.